These crops are thriving. What a fine day for farming. I love tending to the land.
Gently now, dear.
I'm trying, Grandma.
Yes, just like that.
I got one.
Look, isn't this story amazing? Yes, I love this part. Let's read more.
And the little fox found a magical forest.
Wow.
It was filled with glowing flowers and friendly animals.
And the little rabbit found a friend in the big forest.
Wow, really?
Yes, and they lived happily ever after.
Shh, sleep tight, little one.
There you go, all comfy now.
Night-night.
Time to harvest quickly. These are coming up fast. What a bountiful harvest. These are looking good.
Plenty for everyone. I found a big one.
Great work, team.
Let's harvest these together.
Okay, Grandma. I got one.
That's it, keep going.
Gently now, everyone.
I'm helping, Grandpa. Me too. Look how many.
Wonderful, dears.
Keep going, everyone.
We're almost there.
Together we can do it.
Almost there! What a beautiful tree.
Wow, the light is dancing.
Zini 47.
Wow, Grandpa.
Let's put them in the water.
Splash. Grandpa, this one's all clean.
Good job, sweetie. Let's get more.
Okay, Grandpa.
綺麗な芋が取れたね。
見て、ツヤツヤだ。
水がついてるよ、新鮮だね。
わあ、綺麗。
Stitch by stitch, making something warm.
Good morning. Scrub them well, little one. I will, Grandpa.
Almost done, my dear.
Yes, Grandpa.
Gently now, like this.
I got it so clean.
Perfect. A fine harvest.
Gently now, back and forth.
It's like making yellow snow.
Just like that.
You're a natural at this.
That's it, dear. You're doing so well.
It's fun, Grandma.
A natural. We'll make a great batch. Yes, for a lovely meal together.
Yay, I love this.
Let it drip slowly. Hold it tight, dear.
I am, Grandma.
Good. Just let it drip.
It's working.
That's it. Teamwork. There we go. All covered now.
Grandma, I'm grating the potatoes.
Good job, dear. The fire's ready.
Okay, almost done.
Perfect. We'll cook them together. First, some chili for a little kick. Now for the salt. Time to mix it all together. It's smelling so good.
Careful now, don't spill.
Almost there, into the wok. One more crispy pakora. There, all ready to serve.
Easy now, my friend. I've got you safe. There we go. Ah, the onions and tomatoes are sizzling nicely. Now for the capsicum, garlic, and more vegetables.
In you go, my beauties! Ah, perfect sizzle!
All right, time for the chicken. In they go, sizzle up nicely. Perfect. Time to add the chicken now. In they go, sizzle, sizzle. Stir it all together. Capsicum for the spice. Garlic and veggies now. Stir it up.
Let's get these sweet potatoes out. There we go, all done. Almost ready, dear.
It looks so magical, Grandma.
Let's eat this beautiful meal. Let's make it beautiful, dear.
Yes, Grandma, it smells wonderful.
Perfect, now the sweet potato.
Grandpa, this is so yummy.
I'm glad, sweetie.
Grandma, try this one.
Of course, dear.
See, my dear, it's settling.
Wow, Grandma, it's so clear.
That's the starch below.
Careful now, we need to pour out the water.
Wow, it's so thick.
Ah, there we go.
Into the water you go, my beauties.
Grandma, the noodles look so pretty.
Yes, the sunlight makes them glow.
I love this.
Let's check the noodles, dear.
How, Grandma?
Feel them. They should be dry.
It's getting warmer.
In you go, my dears. There we are. Perfect.
These vegetables look so fresh today. Perfect for a nice stew. In go the fresh herbs. Now, stir it all together. Perfect.
わあ、美味しそう。
食べてごらん。
いただきます。
美味しいね。
These sweet potatoes are roasting nicely. Perfect for our noodles.
This is a wonderful meal. It truly is.
Look at the stars.
They're so bright.